In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read Twitch chat in-game, OBS Studio Streamlabs. If you've ever missed messages while playing, this will let your chat appear right inside your game view through OBS so you can keep the conversation going without tabbing out. We'll use the Streamlabs chatbox widget and a browser source in OBS to make it happen. Start by signing in to your Streamlabs dashboard with your Twitch account. Once you're in, head to the widgets area and open the chat box. This is where you'll find the widget URL that renders your chat as a web page. Think of this URL like a live feed of your chat that any browser, including OBS's built-in browser source, can display. Before you copy that link, take a moment to customize the look. Choose a theme that matches your stream, set the text and background colors, and make sure the background stays transparent if you want the chat to float cleanly over your game. You can adjust how long messages stay on screen, whether badges and emotes show, and the moderation filters. When it looks right in the preview, copy the widget URL. Now switch to OBS Studio. In your scene, go to the Sources panel, click the plus button, and select Browser. Give it a clear name like Chat so you can find it later. In the URL field, paste the widget link you just copied. Set the width to 1920 and the height to 1080 if your base canvas is 1080p. That tells OBS how much space the web page can use. If you stream at a different resolution, feel free to match your base canvas instead. Click OK, and you'll see your chat source appear in the preview. Drag the corners to resize and move it to a spot that won't cover important HUD elements in your game. If the text feels too small or too large, go back to the chat box settings on the Streamlabs site and tweak the font size and style there. Changes update live. If they don't appear immediately, right-click the browser source in OBS and refresh it. While you're refining the look, aim for high contrast and a legible font so messages stay readable when the game gets busy. That's it. You've linked your Streamlabs chat box to OBS, sized it to your canvas, and styled it for clean in-game readability. Send a test message to your chat and confirm it appears. With this setup, you'll keep your eyes on the action and your community at the same time. Happy streaming.